Invert effect in After Effects. Full explanation. The invert effect is found under Effect, Channel, Invert. Its main purpose is to flip the colors of a layer into their opposites, but it gives you several options to control how the inversion happens. This is episode 11 in All Effects series. This drop-down determines which channel or data gets inverted. RGB inverts all red, green, and blue channels, producing a complete negative of the image. Red, green, blue inverts only that specific channel while leaving others unchanged. This is useful for color correction, stylized looks, or isolating problem colors. Hue inverts the hue values around the color wheel. This creates very abstract and often surreal color shifts. Saturation inverts the saturation levels. Saturated areas become desaturated and vice versa. Lightness inverts brightness values, which can give you an interesting negative light effect. Alpha inverts transparency. Opaque areas become transparent, and transparent areas become opaque. Useful for masks, mattis, or creative transitions. Blend with original. This slider blends the inverted result with the original image. 0% full inversion, default. 100% no inversion, original image. Anything in between mixes the inverted and original layers, which is great for subtle effects or combining negative tones with the original look, to create a negative film look or surreal visual style. As a technical tool in compositing, especially when working with mattis, masks, or alpha channels. For color experimentation by inverting only one channel, for instance, inverting blue can quickly change sky or water tones. For creative blending, using blend with original to soften the effect.